so I've been away for a few weeks. Before I left, everything was still lush and green, and yeah, I could still cook either outside or here on my wood burner. But now, yeah, it's getting to the point of the year where you're not allowed to be cooking on open fires anymore. Um, so I bought this a while back, but I didn't have a gas bottle yet, so that's been sorted out now. Yeah, so I can start cooking again. Last few days I haven't been cooking just because it was too hot outside, and I didn't really fancy putting my burner on. So yeah, I got yeah, dishes have been piling up, and yeah, time to put this on and get going with it. Before I left to Belgium in beginning of May, uh, I was still getting some night frosts here, only in this little pocket of the land, but it affected my potatoes quite badly, and and it quickly changed while I was gone into weather like this, hot and dry. So as you can see, a lot of them aren't doing really good. So somebody gifted me two of these shade nets on my Amazon through my Amazon wish list. I think the name was Andy, so thank you very much anyway for that. That's amazing. So I'm gonna try and set these nets up over my potatoes and see if I can protect them a little bit more from the sun, in the hopes that they survive. Like you see here, this one pretty dead. just before it started making potatoes, so let's hope I still get some harvest out of it. So yeah, that's at least a little bit of more shade. It's not a lot, but it's something. Hopefully I at least have some potatoes. The patch over there is looking better, as you can see there. And just on the other side, under the tree here as well, it's looking better. Just here this open part. Yeah, let's hope it gets better with some shade. So today is the last day that we officially can make an open fire. So every year here in Portugal in summer there's a fire ban, and also a ban on use of like machinery like chainsaws and trimmers with a blade, and anything mechanical that's is able to make sparks. You're not allowed to use it. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my last barbecue, my last fire for the season. Um, yeah, just got took a piece of the lamb that I slaughtered a month ago. I'm gonna enjoy that this evening. After spending almost 3 weeks on holidays in Belgium, it feels really good to be back here, living my simple life again. Like when I was in Belgium, I just noticed how everything goes around you in a very different pace, very fast, and everybody is just occupied with a lot of things. And yeah, it was like, you know, a bit of a confrontation as well, and a realization that I'm very blessed to be able to live this life. Um, a lot of people think that it is quite hard what I'm doing. Like I said before, to me, it doesn't feel hard at all. It feels quite natural and good to just have time, and to do the things that I really want to do. And yes, sometimes I'm struggling financially, or sometimes there are very heavy jobs to do here, but it's nothing compared to being in the rat race and having to do an 8 to 5 job or 9 to 5 job, or um yeah, this just, you know I got time to do whatever I want and how fast I want to do it. I'm just depending a bit on the seasons, but it's just a natural flow that I'm in. Life is made out of simple things. Sometimes we just need to open our eyes and realize that we need much less than we actually think. We are chasing from the one thing to the other thing. But how does it make us feel? We chase and we chase, but we keep feeling empty. What is life really about? I think feeling the raindrops after a hot day, feeling the morning sun heating up your skin, hearing the birds chip, cheer, and sing. In the man made world, we forget how everything is connected in nature and how fulfilling it is to tap into that rhythm. I know it can be done in many ways, My way might not be your way, but don't forget there's so much beauty and romance in the simplest of things. So, yeah, I would say go out there, take your time, and just know that everything will be fine.